Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's class, let us see Industrial Revolution. First we see introduction, after that we see some reasons of Industrial Revolution. After that we see the process of Industrial Revolution. After that we see effects of Industrial Revolution. Now let us begin with the introduction. The employment of mechanical energy in the place of human energy in this process of production is called as a Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution means the employment of mechanical energy in the place of human energy. This process is called as a Industrial Revolution. Now let us see, this is the most effective revolution ever witnessed by the world. In our world, we see the most important revolution is the Industrial Revolution. This revolution is started in England in 18th century. This revolution means Industrial Revolution is started in 18th century at England. Later it spread to the other part of the Europe with the establishment of colonies. Here we see that the trade increase and demand of the finished goods are increased here. The traditional process of production could not meet the demand. On that time, the traditional way of making the goods that was not work there. It was this time that there was an intellectual awakening and expectations of the profit took root. Due to this, the people engaged in the industrial, they were encouraged to find a better process of production. In the early part of 18th century, we see that the new method of field of industries or in the transport brought out the changes. In the 18th century, we see that the new methods of industries and transport brought many changes on that time. The changes took place in the industrial field between the 1760 to 1830. They are called as a Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution held in between the 1762 and 1830, and this period is called as a Industrial Revolution period. Now let us see some reasons related to Industrial Revolution. The scientific invention that took place in England due to the Renaissance result in an industrial revolution. In the Renaissance period, we see that the new scientific inventions took place in the area of England. It was in the period of Renaissance. It was resulted to the industrial revolution. It was the main reason for industrial revolution. Our second reason is the powerful countries of Europe who made profit from their colonies invested in industries which are resulted in revolution. Here we see that powerful countries of Europe who made profit from the colonies, they are captured some colonies, they invested in industries which are resulted the industrial revolution. Our third reason is as the population and taste of European countries increases, the increased demand of consumer goods made new inventions inevitable. Here we see that when the population was increased, on that time the demand of peoples are increased, the consumer goods demand was increased. It was a new invention inevitable here in the industrial revolution. Our next point is the political stability, better waterway and natural resources enable the industrial revolution. Here we see that the political stability, better waterway which are found in the Renaissance period, the natural resources are abundant. Industrial revolution, it was a main reason for industrial revolution. The European technicians and skilled workers who were fed up with the Crusades in Europe settled in England and took active part in the Industrial Revolution. At that time, many European technicians and skilled workers took part in the Industrial Revolution. Those are all the reasons of Industrial Revolution. Now let us see process of Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution first began in England, later it spread to the other countries of the world. We are already now that the Industrial Revolution was first began in England, after that it was spread to other countries of the world. Normally the revolution means fast-paced, violent intense change in the political field, but in the Industrial Revolution in England did not witness any swift or violent change. The change were slow, gradual, and continuous. In this area, we see that the revolution was not very rapid. It was slowly and gradually continuous changes or took place in Industrial Revolution. They were also a widespread and profound. Although the England was primarily an agricultural country, we see that England is a basically agriculture country. Before 1760 CE, the woolen textile and cotton textile industries has developed well in the area of England. As trade increased, the demand for finished goods are increased, but the production could not match the demand of the peoples. Here we see that England is an agricultural country. On the time of 1760, the woolen textile and cotton textile industries are developed well in the area of England, and the trade was increased and demand of the finished goods were increased there, and the production was very low on the production time, and consumption was not matched on that time. The Industrial Revolution was started here. The skilled artisans would not invested more on the raw material and spread up to the manufacture. Therefore, some rich peoples employed those skilled artisans for wage and provide them a raw material and make them work in a big building. It is called factories. Here we see that the artisans and skilled workers are not invested more in the raw materials. On that time, the rich peoples employed those peoples means skilled workers and artisans for a wage. They provide them to raw material and made them work in a big building. It is called as a factories. This led to the foundation for establishment of factories. On that time, first time the factories was started there. Although the factory owners reap a huge profit by selling the product and manufacture in those factories, those skilled artisans and other laborers continue to be poor. Here we see that the rich people who are started factories, they are got many profit, lot of profit. And that time the artisans and skilled workers and other laborers are continue to be a poor. Now let us see, during the period of 1760 to 1830 CE, a great change took place in the textile manufacturing industries in England.